Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the Instagram new feature called message to reveal feature on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, I'm going to create a story on my Instagram, and I'm just going to upload a random picture from my device. I'm going to upload this picture, for example. Then if you want to use the message to reveal feature, we can click on the sticker icon. Okay, and here you can scroll down a little bit, and this is the new feature called message to reveal feature, and I'm going to show you how this feature works on our Instagram story. We can click on this reveal option. Okay, and you can type message right here, and I'm just going to type what is it, like this. Okay, and you can read the description right here. The story will be blurred. People can see it after they message you. So if they want to see our story, they have to send us message. Okay, and I'm just going to place it right here. And before you upload the story to your Instagram, you can see the preview like this. So this is the preview. As you can see that the story is blurred, so they have to message you to reveal this photo on the Instagram story. Okay, and I'm going to post it. I'm going to click on your story. Then I'm going to check it with my another Instagram account. Now the story is being uploaded, and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now the story has been uploaded, and I'm going to check it with my another Instagram account. Okay, wait. Okay, and this is the story we have just uploaded. And if we want to see or if we want to reveal the story, we have to message. We have to send a message. So I'm going to send a message like this. And now the photo has been revealed after I sent a message to this account. Alright guys, and that's how we can use the message to reveal feature on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.